Hello, Ken. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, yes, I cannot see you. Mm, 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 mm. Hello, Ken. Are
Hello,
you ready?
teacher. Yes.
All right. So, last week we studied about the different kinds of musical instrument with the adjective also, right? You remember?
Yes.
Okay. So for tonight, we are going to begin with task 13. You are going to identify and listen the instruments. So you need to write correctly the spelling of the musical instruments that you can hear from the audio file. Wrong spelling, wrong. Okay, Can?
Okay.
All right. So I will be going to play the audio for two times. Review your answer and write your answer after the number. Okay? Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Listen very well and use your pen, okay? Write your answer on the screen. Do you know how to use your pen? Dan, do you know how to use your pen on the screen?
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So write, okay? I prefer you will use the text.
Introduction Unit. Lesson C. Exercise 6. 1. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7.
Okay, one more time. Can? But if
Yes.
you really don't know the instruments, you can just pass, okay? Can?
Okay.
Okay. Time.
Introduction Unit. Lesson C. Exercise 6. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7.
Okay, Khan. So what instrument is number 2? You muted your microphone. Khan, I cannot hear you. You muted your microphone.
A guitar.
Sure? Okay, let's for tika 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 tung. Okay, what about for number 3?
Is guitar.
Correct. Okay, number 3 is a guitar. What about for number 4?
Trumpet.
What is it?
Is trumpet.
Trumpet. Okay, trumpet.
Trumpet.
That is correct. Number 5.
Flute.
Flute is correct. Number 6.
Drums.
Correct. Number 7.
Violin.
Violin. Very good. All your answers are correct, Khan. Now let's move on to task 14. 14 is you are going to check the meaning of the verbs below. Match 4 of them with pictures 1 to 4. Okay, what are the action verbs, Khan? Kindly read it aloud.
Yes. Dance.
Mm.
Play basketball. Football. Tennis. Play the drum.
Khan, you are going to read like this. Play basketball, play football, or play tennis. Okay? Play the drums or play
Okay.
clarinet. Play the clarinet. Okay, one more time, please. Read it one more time. Play.
Play basketball. Play football. Play tennis.
Correct.
Play the rings. Play the clarinet. Ride by. Ride a horse. Ride a skateboard. Speak Chinese. Speak
No,
French.
sing. You missed sing.
Sing.
And then,
Speak Chinese. Speak French. Speak Spanish.
then
Swim.
swim. Okay, now I want you to match 4 of them with the pictures. Picture number 1. What verb is it?
It is play backyard. Swim.
Okay, swim. What about for picture number 2?
Ride a horse.
Ride a horse. What about picture number 3?
Um, uh, skateboard.
That is dance. There's no skateboard here. None. What about for number 4?
Is play basketball.
Yeah, basketball. One more time. Say it again. Bus.
Swim.
No, say it again. Basketball.
Basketball.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, that is how you're going to pronounce it properly. Okay, now for 13, you are going to talk with teacher, then ask and answer the questions. Ready?
Yes.
Can you play the violin?
Oh, no, I can't.
Okay. What about can you play a guitar? Ka-
Um,
Guitar. Can you play a guitar?
no, I can't.
Okay. What about can you play a violin?
Mm, no, I can't.
Can you play piano?
Uh, yes, I can.
Really? Can you play a piano?
Yes,
Like how old were you when you started to play the piano?
um, uh, I,
What?
um,
Galera ko na makaunday. How old were you?
I'm 14 years old. I'm 14 years old.
When you were 14 years old?
Yes,
So you just learned how to play the piano recently?
uh,
Can? You just play it recently? Like you just learn how to play it last year? Okay, well, anyway. Okay, Can? So let us start with the new lesson, okay?
okay,
All right. So the focus of our lesson is all about grammar. Are you ready?
yes.
Okay. So unit math, vocabulary, and grammar. Please read the following words, Can. You can now notes if the word is not familiar with you. Okay? Please read it aloud. Can, please.
Um, personal information talking about ability and asking for permission. Grammar. Me and have got articles, the, and some this, that, uh,
Or
in.
yes. Thank you so much. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes,
Okay. So can you tell me what words you see on the screen, Can?
yes.
Okay, what are the words you seen on the screen? Can you read it aloud?
Vocabulary and speaking.
Vocabulary and speaking?
Yes.
What about this word? What is it?
This is grammar.
No? I don't think so. What is the word you see there on your screen? I think it's late. It's bin, calculator, then cupboard. Can you see it or no?
Yes.
Oh my god. Why you didn't read it? Okay, what about the next words? Can you tell me?
B.
What's B? What's the word?
Um,
Can you read it for me?
yes.
Yeah, this one. Can you read it? Can you see the screen or no?
Yes.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
B.
Tell me what words you can see on the screen.
calculator.
That is
That
active.
that is active.
No, interactive.
Interactive.
Whiteboard.
Mm, is
Whiteboard.
interactive whiteboard.
Okay, very good.
Pencil sharpener.
Very good.
Cloud.
Shelf, do you understand these words? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay, you tell me, what do you see there? Can you read on the screen?
Pencil sharpener.
Ah, you're late. Your screen is late. Tell me if it's moving already or not, okay?
Okay.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
Can you read it for me?
Yes.
What's this word?
Use be and have got.
Okay, so our topic for this lesson is all about be and have got, okay?
Okay.
Now, can you see the conversation or a dialogue? Do you see a dialogue?
Yes. Read and listen to the um,
Dialogue.
dialogue.
Hmm.
How old is Joanna's
Joanna's.
sister?
Okay. So, you will be Joanna and teacher will read Mac's line. Okay, Kan?
Okay.
All right. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Max said, "Have you got a brother?"
No, I haven't. But I got a sister. Here's photo of her. I'm on the run.
Are you twin?
Yes, we are, but we are
Then
identical.
very.
Emma's got black hair, like me, but she hasn't got brown eyes.
Is that your dog in the photo?
Yes, is. She's called Rosie. Rosie is Emma's dog. Really?
How old is she?
She's 16, of course.
That's very old for a dog.
No, Emma 16, Rosie is 6.
That's it. All right, Con, do you understand the conversation? Do you
Yes,
understand? Yes? Okay.
yes.
So, how old is Joanna's sister?
Um, um, is um is 16.
Very good. Joanna is 16. Now, learn this. How to use be. So we use to be in present to first. Read it, can? First,
Talk about names, professions, nationalities, and feelings. Matthews.
Professions.
Profession.
Nationalities.
Nationality.
Age.
Age.
Feelings.
Feelings.
Martial status.
Martial status.
Okay, one more time.
Talk about names, professions, nationalities, age, feelings, martial status.
Okay. All right. Example. Say something exists. Okay, second, okay, for the be verb, you're going to use it for profession, personality, age, feelings, martial status. Then, say something exists. Example. Example, can.
There is problem.
Okay, so that is be. Be there is. What's the be there in the sentence? There is a problem. What's the be verb?
E.
Is. Very good. Now, number three, please read it aloud. Say hello.
Say go.
Yeah. Say what? What is the third usage of be verb? Say what? Can. Say.
Say,
Say.
say something happens.
Okay. Example.
Example, the party is tonight.
Got it. Do you understand? Excuse me. Do you understand, Gan?
But, yes.
Okay. Now for number four, please read it aloud.
Mm, I can see.
Do you see number four or not yet?
Uh, I talk about lotions. Example, the food is on the table.
Okay, can you read that as location? Location.
Location.
Okay, example.
Example, the food is on the table.
Got it? Okay. What about for number five?
Talk about identity.
Identity.
Example, he
Again, identity.
identity.
Okay, example.
Example, he is a singer.
All right, Con, do you understand how to use be verb?
Yes.
Okay, so if you do, let's have the last one. Talk about a quality. Okay,
Okay.
so when you say quality, example, she is beautiful. Okay, you need to use an adjective for quality. Okay, Kan?
Okay.
All right, now complete the learn this box. So learn this, be complete. What are you going to use to one? So you have their affirmative, interrogative, negative, and then it's you fill in the blank. What is the correct be verb for each?
Okay.
All right, your time starts now. Khan, do you know how to answer this activity?
Uh, yeah.
Okay, I want you to write your answer on the screen. Or you can just directly. Can you do it? Or you need. Okay, go. Number one, what's the answer?
I am
Okay, very good. Number two.
is
Number
is
three.
equal.
Three.
Is
This one. You, we, they.
are.
Correct. But that's negative. So it should be can. It should be
Um,
aren't. Yeah, because
um,
it's negative. Okay?
okay.
Okay. Four. Interrogative.
Is
What about number four?
are.
Correct. What about number six? Short answers. Is he? Is he? See it. Yes? Mm. What's the answer
Yes,
for?
it is.
Okay. Is. What about for seven?
They are.
Okay, that is R. Correct. Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Kan.
Um, we are.
Do you have any question?
No.
No. Okay, now. Okay, task two. Find all the examples of be in the dialogue in the task one. Oh, find here, you can underline or circle the words. Okay, Kan?
Okay.
Please use your pen and encircle it on the screen so that I can see directly your answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, your time starts now. Kan?
Yes.
Are you done?
Um. Uh. Are you free?
But I don't see your answers. Can you use your pen or no? Can. I want you to use your pen. Do you know how to use a pen? In the VooV meeting, you click annotate.
Uh. Must. Are you free?
Again?
Are you free? Free.
Pen? Use the screen because I can't see your answer. I cannot see your answers with the pen. Okay, just tell me your answers then.
Is
Where's your answer?
is yes, we are.
Oh, you need to find all the examples. Either it is positive, negative, or question form. As long as it uses a be verb, that is an example. So can you tell me a phrase or a sentences which is having the be in the dialogue?
She is 16.
No, it's not. There is still a first one. Which of it? Can you circle? Can you circle your answer? Like for example, like this. Like example, this one. I'm on. That's one example of be verb. What else? Can you do like
I'm,
this?
I'm on the right.
Yes. Where? Which else? What other?
Rose, Roses in my door.
Again?
No, in my 16. No. Roses is 6.
There is still there. You can find before that answer, okay? You can still find positive. You can find question form or you can find negative. Okay?
Okay.
So do not skip. Look at it very carefully. Look, that is there's a photo of us and then this.
I'm on the right.
Okay, what else?
Uh, E are you tree?
What else?
Um, yes, is.
Huh?
Yes, is.
That is yes, we.
Yes, we are.
Okay, yes, we are. That is correct. Okay, and there's a negative of it. What else?
Mm, Shona. Yet is
Hmm?
and yet is.
No, before that. Yes,
Uh,
it is.
we
Before that. Before that. There is one sentence. Question form.
she's 16.
What else?
She's 16.
Yeah, else.
Um, that's very old for a dog.
What else?
Rosie is 6.
Okay, what else?
Mm,
Yes,
uh,
it is.
she's Rosie.
Again.
Rosie is Emma.
Huh?
She, she's called Rosie.
No, it's not. That is not. It's a possessive. She's cold, okay? Rosie. That is possessive. That is
She,
not be. What else?
mm, that's very old for that.
Huh?
That's very old for that.
No, that is first. How old is she? And then,
Oh,
and then she
mm,
is
Rosie is 6.
16. And then that's your answer.
She's 16.
And then
Rosie,
the last one is,
she's 16.
no, that's not she is 16. That is, Rosie is,
Is 6.
that is not she is, that's Emma 16. Okay, do you have any question?
No.
No, okay, since you don't have any question, write two sentences with the verb be. One affirmative and one negative, which is true for you, which is false. Write T. So like for example, this one. Okay?
Okay.
Write your answer now in the space provided. And just tell me once you are done, okay?
Okay. Uh, my teacher is very tall. He is short.
All right. What is the other
My
sentence
te-
of you?
my teacher is very tall. Short.
What is false?
My teacher.
What is false? You need to write negative and
False.
positive.
Uh, my teacher isn't very tall.
That is?
False. That
Oh,
is
sorry, sorry,
false.
sorry. Okay, what about number 3?
Uh, I am not 18 years old. False. I am sure is true. I am 16 years old is false.
Huh? A while ago it's false. And then it's false still. Which is true. Can.
True. I'm not 16 years old. True is my friend of girls is false. My friend aren't all girls is true.
Okay.
Uh, fire isn't very cool today is true. Is very cold today is full. Six is my friends and I are in an English lessons. Is true. My friends and I are in an English lessons is full.
Can. That is aren't. Aren't.
Uh, Aaron, Aaron.
Yeah. Pronounce it properly, the negative and the positive, okay? Because I can only hear positive. Okay. This time, for task 4, Khan, you are going to complete the questions with the correct form of verb be. Ask and answer questions. Okay, ready? Number 1.
Are you hungry?
Very good. Number 2.
Our teacher,
Huh?
our
That is, it's only one. Teacher.
teacher
Yes. If are, it should be.
is
Okay, number 4. 3.
are we at school?
Correct. For number 4.
Are your friends all at this school?
Okay, what about number 5?
Mm, are you 18 years old?
Number 6?
Mm, um, am I from the UK?
Very good. That is correct. Now answer the question. Answer the question, Kan. Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
No, no, no. Answer the question. Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Okay. Again. Are
No,
you
I am.
hungry?
No, I am.
No.
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good. No, I am not. Is is your teacher male?
Mm, yes, it is.
Yes, he is. Okay. Are you at school?
No. We are no.
No, that is only you only. Can only you. No, I'm not. Again, are you at school?
No. No.
Yes, it means you are not in the school. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next question.
Um.
Next question. Are your
E,
friends all at the same school?
uh. No. They aren't.
No, they are. Okay. Are you 18 years old?
Mommy, look.
No. No.
Okay. What about, are you from Vietnam?
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Yes, I am. Do you have any question?
No.
No. So make sure you know how to use properly the be verb, okay? Now, learn this. This is all about have got. So these are the terms, or these are the usages on how to use have versus have got. Okay?
Okay.
Can? Mm. But since we only have a few seconds left, let us just continue the have or have got next meeting, okay?
Okay.
All right then. Do you have any questions, Kat?
No.
Okay. So, Kat, goodbye and thank you so much for coming tonight. See you again on Saturday night, okay? Goodbye,
Okay.
Kan. Good
Goodbye,
night.
teacher.
Goodbye. See you on Saturday.
Yes.